So today I'm making a shrimp sauce. I marinated the shrimp with black pepper, salt, oregano, thyme, and now I'm just gonna saute them here in the oil that I had previously frozen with the parsley. So now the shrimps are done, so I'm gonna transfer them in another bowl so I can continue with the rest of the recipe. So now I'm adding the diced chopped garlic. I'm gonna saute it for a little bit. Now I'm adding the red and white onion, diced, and saute it until 5 minutes, depending how much you want to cook the onions. I would like them close to caramelized. I'm going to add a little bit of water and let it cook with the lid on for a little bit. So now I'm adding the peppers, bell peppers, and diced. Cook for 5 more minutes or so. So now I'm adding the homemade tomato sauce. I'm going to let it cook for like 15 minutes or so. And the sauce is done. So now I'm adding a little bit of salt, pepper, black pepper, oregano, and a bit of thyme, and let it cook. Stir it all together. So the sauce is done. And so I'm just gonna add the shrimps that we cooked previously. And voila, delicious and soul food, basically. I hope you try.